Many people believe intelligence is loud. They imagine intelligent people as confident speakers, people who dominate conversations, people who always have an answer ready. But in reality, some of the most intelligent minds behave very differently. They are quiet. They observe more than they speak. And because of this, their intelligence is often misunderstood. In many social situations, silence is mistaken for uncertainty. When someone speaks less, others may assume they have nothing important to say. But very often the opposite is true. Quiet people are frequently processing far more information than those who speak constantly. While others are talking, they are observing. They notice tone of voice. They notice subtle reactions. They notice how people behave with different individuals. Human behavior contains patterns that are easy to miss if you are always speaking. But when you observe carefully, those patterns begin to appear. Highly intelligent observers often pay attention to details most people overlook. A small pause in a conversation, a slight change in someone's posture, a moment of hesitation before answering a question. These small signals reveal more about people than words alone. Psychologists often describe intelligence as the ability to process complex information. But processing information requires attention, and attention often requires silence. When the mind becomes quiet, it becomes easier to notice connections. You begin to see how different behaviors relate to each other. You start recognizing patterns across situations. For example, someone might appear confident in one environment, but in another situation, their behavior changes completely. A careful observer notices these differences, and over time, those observations reveal deeper insights into personality and motivation. Many intelligent people understand that speaking less can actually increase understanding. When you talk constantly, you reveal your thoughts. But when you observe, you learn about everyone else. Silence also creates space for reflection. Instead of reacting immediately, intelligent thinkers often pause. They allow information to settle. They consider different interpretations before forming conclusions. This slower thinking style often leads to more accurate judgments. Because human behavior is rarely simple, people are influenced by emotions, by past experiences, by hidden motivations that are not always visible. Quick judgments rarely capture the full picture, but careful observation over time often does. This is why quiet intelligence is frequently overlooked. It does not demand attention. It does not interrupt conversations. It does not try to dominate a room. Instead, it gathers information silently and gradually builds a deeper understanding of the people around it. Once you start noticing this pattern, you begin to see it everywhere. The loudest voice in the room is not always the most intelligent. Sometimes, the most intelligent person is the one quietly observing everything.